Xbox, what the fuck is wrong? My shit is not working. Trying to join the party and I can't join. The fuck is wrong, Xbox? Come on. Y'all need to fix y'all shit. I understand that the next gen is coming out this week, and all my fucking messages are deleted. Every single one of them disappeared. Okay. Probably can't even send a fucking message. It's only one way to find out. My message cannot be sent. What the fuck is going on? See? Message cannot be sent. Xbox, fix this shit. Please fix this bull crap.